Hi West Riding fans, welcome to West Riding, Morris Minor Centre, WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre, for the second video of the week, second new arrival and a second absolutely awesome, fully refurbished, restored Morris Minor Traveller. So we had the maroon one earlier on in the week, and now we've got this superb Trafalgar Blue one. So it is a brand new restoration, which is actually an older restoration because its previous keeper spent it with their family car. They owned the car for many a year. When they retired, spent £26,000 on it on a full restoration with another Morris Minor company that is no longer in business, but very reputable company. I'm sure you can guess who it is without me saying the name. Yep. So full restoration, including new wood, new paint, new wings, underbody refurbishment, full new interior, some upgrades. Absolutely stunning car. As you can see, I mean, the wood is brand spanking new. Yep, so the wood's brand spanking new. The paint's brand spanking new. As you can see, not using the P word, but it's got a lovely shine and it's very hard to find any blemishes on it. The wood's in nearly P order, so very good A1 condition, as is the rest of the car. Do you one up there so you can have a look at it. So it's had £26,000 spent on a restoration with another Morris Minor specialist who we had a great deal of respect for before they went out of business, before they were taken over and then run into the ground. Yep, it's 1970 Trafalgar Blue, pale blue interior. One of the other good bits about this car, it's only got two previous keepers on the logbook, one of which is the owners that had it refurbished. So it was done about 10 years ago, but it's sat in a garage ever since. So all the chrome's all in perfect order. Oh no, I said the P word, my lord. Is in very, very good order. Them headlight bezels won't replace him. I've just got some on order. We've replaced some other bits and pieces. But no bubbling at the bottom of the doors, as you can see. Nice panel fit. All the new wings, everything nice and straight. The underside was really good. Runs and drives really well. And I'll show you the inside. Showing just over 50,000 miles. So again, that's good. Nice and clean. New headlining, as you can see there. New rear seat cover, new internal trims, new rear cards, new front cards, new kick panels, new parcel shelf, new carpets, recon seats, new strips on the doors, new sun visors, new everything. Just showing just over 50,000 mile. Over 50,000 mile. As I said, reconditioned heater there as well. We've started servicing her up. Runs and drives really well, which is a pleasure to drive. Start her up for you. So lovely interior, lovely exterior, nice clean lovely underside. So nice and standard car. It hasn't got servo, has not got alternator, although we can do those for you. As you can see, the engine bay is nice and clean, been detailed, so heated in and off it sort of condition. Got a battery cut-off switch for security. Excellent and clean car. We can do any upgrades that you want, so we can put you a servo on, we can put you an alternator on, put your disc brakes on, put your telescopic suspension on, electronic ignition. We can do whatever you want. So nice standard car, nice basis for some mods if you wanted to, or if not, just drive it away as it is. Whip round her one more time and then show you the back. So new boot liner, new rear cards, rear trim cards there. Insides of the doors all absolutely clean as a whistle. We put some new bumperettes on her there, some new wheels and tyres also. As you can see, inside the doors, the internal trim's all nice and clean. Bit of a long view of the headline in there, so you can see it's all in lovely clean, no rips order. Superb car. If we were to build this for you, it would be in excess of £30,000 and a 2 years wait. So you can beat the crowd and get a fully refurbished, well, fully restored Traveller. Only two previous keepers for £18,750, which is an absolute bargain. And then that gives you a little bit of money to put your modifications on. So that's £18,750 she is. You never know, make us an offer, we might accept it. Be cheeky. Get yourself in your car or your push bike, get yourself up to Halifax and have a look, and then we'll talk about money when you get here. So it's WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre. Give us a bell on 01422881221. Visit, this will be on later today, www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or obviously it'll be on social media, or get yourself to the Yorkshire Minor Centre, Sowerby Bridge, Halifax, and come and have a look for yourself. Be quick, because she is an absolute beauty and I can guarantee that you'll love it. Okay, thanks guys.